think the battle's won. Think again. The fact is, for each one we reach, there's one we can't. And if we can't reach them, chances are nobody can. Because a mind is a terrible thing to waste.
What's up, family? Welcome to Unauthorized History. In 1954, during the Brown versus Board of Education case, the Supreme Court ruled that state laws permitting racial segregation in schools was unconstitutional. Although this ruling outlawed racial segregation in schools, many states continued to do so in defiance of the law. Today we're going to discuss one of the short-lived all-black schools in Tennessee. Let's get into it. Alright, family, in 1962, the Rutherford County school system located in Tennessee established an all-black school system located on U.S. Highway 231 South. The school was called the 231 School. The school was only for black students and its faculty was also all black. The school consisted of 8 classrooms, a large auditorium, 2 offices, a teacher's lounge, 3 restrooms, and a cafeteria. The 1964 high school graduating class had only 8 students. Now, according to rutherfordtennessee.org, the last graduating high school class was in 1966. When the school system became fully integrated in 1967, according to A History of Rutherford County Schools, the 231 school was renamed Christiana Elementary and served as an integrated population in the lower grades. When the new Christiana Elementary School was opened in 1974, the original 231 facility was abandoned. The RCHS history notes that the building was thereafter vandalized and fire damaged before the property was sold to private interest. Now, the 231 school was one of many schools that defied the Brown versus Board of Education ruling, and many states still sought after that ruling to create segregated schools and facilities for black students to keep them from integrating with white students. And this is just one of many schools that I'm going to be discussing here on this channel. Please let me know your thoughts on this video down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Alright, peace, family.